We begin tonight with breaking news involving a dangerous encounter for Rochester police officers. 4 officers hurt while responding to a chaotic scene involving dirt bikes and ATVs on Rochester streets.
These ATVs and dirt bikes are hundreds, if not 1,000 pounds, and there we have an officer, at least one officer, my understanding is 2 or 3 officers, getting dragged by an ATV last night, and that's incredibly dangerous.
Good evening, I'm Don Elhart. Now, city leaders just announcing tonight the restaurant where those dirt bikes and ATVs gathered on Sunday afternoon is now closed until further notice. Jackie Napier has more now from the police department and the mayor about the status of those officers and how officials plan to address this problem.
That's right, Don. Good evening. Rochester police say a sergeant was dragged and another officer struck in the parking lot of a restaurant on East Main Street. This comes just 1 week after authorities say the same owner was charged with criminal nuisance and noise violation.
Our officers were out in the 1500 block of East Main Street at Casa Campos, a restaurant there that has a parking lot that unfortunately has been hosting these dirt bike ATV events.
Captain Bello says officers were anticipating a gathering this weekend based on social media posts. Upon arrival, Rochester police began trying to disperse a large crowd.
Within a few minutes, the officers being there, one of the ATVs drove directly at one of our sergeants that was on scene. Struck the sergeant. The sergeant ended up getting dragged by the ATV for a little bit.
Captain Bello explains at that point, other officers jumped in, removed the rider, Alexander Lugo Torres, from the ATV and recovered an illegal firearm from his waistband.
His brother, 27-year-old Alexis Lugo Torres, jumped on that initial ATV and attempted to drive away with that ATV. While doing that, he dragged several officers with the ATV, struck multiple vehicles.
In total, Bello says 4 officers were hurt. The injuries to 2 of them could keep them out of work long term, we're told.
That's a drain on that platoon. We're a department that's already almost 100 officers short.
Now, police are working with the city law department and the liquor authority to take action against businesses hosting these events.
At a lot of these businesses was that they were encouraging ATV riders to gather, and we're not going to tolerate that. We have our detail. We will confiscate those bikes if we have the opportunity to.
The Torres brothers have both been accused of assault, reckless driving, and resisting arrest. Captain Bello says Alexander Lugo Torres is also facing weapons charges in connection with the recovered Glock. Don.
Tonight on a